everyone, I'm hairstylist Amanda Shackleton, and today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY antique hair comb or do-it-yourself hair comb. This is a comb that I bought from the store, and a lot of the times these combs are very, very beautiful, but when you buy vintage combs, they can be very expensive. So what I suggest you do is just go to your local craft store and buy a comb that looks like this. Just a tip, the wire combs are actually much easier to put in your hair than the plastic wide tooth combs because they're much thinner and they slide into the hair easier. These come in different lengths. This I believe is a 4-inch. You can buy them in 3 inches, 2 inches, 5 inches, so really you can get the size of base that you want and then go ahead and add on the decorations, you know, as you want. I found these cute little kind of hair accessories, and I'm gonna just kind of wind them into the comb, and then they're just gonna lay like that, and we can go ahead and just keep doing them. Just keep adding these one at a time. You can space them out as far as you want to. You can also go ahead and get these little flowers if you want. They come kind of on a string. All you do is cut the flower off, and with a little bit of glue, you can glue it on there. And you can also do an antique brooch, which is things that you find at flea markets. And they're very beautiful, and they're very, very, very inexpensive. And all I do is take the pin at the back and just put it right through the comb, and then go ahead and close it up. And there you go, you have your comb. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to put it in the hair. Turn to the side, just kind of dig it in there. There you go, and turn your head, and there you go. You have your DIY comb. I'm Amanda Shackleton from NY Bridal Beauty.